Children, I told you to join the evening classes also, but you are not following my instruction properly. So many things you are missing, and you are not watching the videos also. I'm telling really, I'm really very sorry to feel say that you are not listening the, either you are not attending in the evening class and not listening the recording also. I'm very unhappy to tell you like this. Children, see,
Sir, are there
yesterday,
all the videos
Yes,
in the?
sir.
every video, every evening classes video, I just uploaded, and you are not watching it properly.
So what is the name of your YouTube channel?
Just to type chemistry by Subhas sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, either you just WhatsApp me, I will give you the link.
Okay, sir.
Do you know my number?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are missing lectures? I don't know. Yesterday, see, we discussed about bond parameters. Okay, bond
So
parameters.
yesterday I thought that there was no class due to test.
Okay.
That's why I didn't.
No.
Yes, sir. I also that.
Yeah, information related to bond. See, yesterday we discussed so many important points. Bond length, bond enthalpy, bond angle, bond order. Okay.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Can you please send me this recording of yesterday's class? I was not able to attend it.
That's why I am telling you. Do you know my phone number?
Yes, sir, I know.
Please send me WhatsApp request by telling number. Okay, I will send you the link, and means if you once you subscribe, no, you will get all the values, all the videos which you are missing.
Okay, sir.
Date wise, I am giving you date wise. So many facilities I have given you, but you are not using properly. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Sir.
See, yesterday I gave you the definition of bond length, distance between the two nuclei. Okay, children?
Yes.
Bond energy, amount of energy required to break the bond. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, angle between the bonded electron pair. Bond order, how many bonds form between two atoms? Everything, see. Step by step, I have discussed everything. The equilibrium distance between two nuclei of two bonded atoms in a molecule is called bond length. Bond length can be measured by spectroscopic method, X-ray diffraction, electron diffraction method. Okay, for same element, van der Waals radius is more than metallic radius than covalent radius. If you know if the molecule is homomolecule, okay, if you know the bond length and the radius, or any one of you are missing, you can calculate by using this formula, children. If it is a heteromolecule, you can use this formula. Here I have given you XA, XB are electronegativity of A and B. Everything I have discussed so minutely. So children, please take care of what I am advising you, okay? Then hybridization also affects, okay? S percentage is there, bond length will be, if S percentage is more, bond length will be less. See how beautiful examples I have given you, how to calculate the percentage of S character. Then number of bond between two atoms, means if multiple bonds are there, bond length will be automatically reduces. See, suppose it is triple bond, double bond, single bond, so single bond will be more than triple bond, children. Then bond is directly proportional to size of atom. Yesterday we discussed, if H is constant, you know fluorine is smaller than chlorine, chlorine is smaller than bromine, bromine is smaller than iodine. So definitely this bond will be more. I have discussed, and I have also discussed that it also depend upon conjugation and hyperconjugation, children. So you should remember everything. Bond enthalpy, amount of energy required to break 1 mole of bonds. Okay, I have discussed everything. If it is triple bond, it will require more energy. If it is double bond, it will require less energy. If it is single bond, it will require more less energy. So everything. Not only bond energy also depend upon lone pair of electron on the bonded or on the central atoms. Okay. See here, I have given you a beautiful example: oxygen single bond oxygen, nitrogen single bond nitrogen, carbon single bond carbon. So no lone pair of present on carbon, so its energy is more. Like this I have given you. And if two bonds are there, so every step whatever the energy is required, we have to calculate, and then we have to make a average of it. Okay. Then we have discussed homolysis and heterolysis. Homolysis means the bonded electron pair, when broken, it is equally shared to both the particles. This is known as homolysis. And heterolysis means the electron pair to transfer towards one of the atom. It is known as heterolysis, unequally distribution. Required energy is more. Required energy is more in heterolysis. Lysis means breaking. Stylish name for breaking, children.
Sir, this we did in yesterday doubt class. Sir, homolysis,
Yeah.
heterolysis.
Doubt class and so doubt class is not a normal thing, children. Try to understand. It's
No,
not
no,
a
sir.
normal thing.
I have attended doubt class, sir. We
Yes,
have done
sir.
the bond enthalpy.
Yes, sir. After
Yes,
bond
sir.
enthalpy.
We have not
Bond
done this.
enthalpy ending we have done.
Yeah. See, these all are in. Then bond angle we have discussed. What is the bond angle? So the bonded electron pair has any angle come with the central atom. Okay.
Sir, we have done
This
till
one
bond
we
enthalpy.
haven't. You haven't taught.
No.
Sir, we
I
have
see.
done till bond enthalpy.
Sir, I was also there in doubt class. We have did till bond enthalpy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow. Okay. See, listen carefully now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the bond angle between the orbitals of the containing bonding pairs of electron around the central atom, okay, in a molecule or a complex ion, that is known as bond angle. Bond angle is directly, if bond angle increases, then stability also increases. Everything I have taught, children, I think in the next doubt clearing classes. Okay. I have
Next.
continued in the next this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Two doubt clearance classes are there. No, one for LPC and one for BPC.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So anyhow, if bond angle increases, stability also increases. Bond angle is affected by the presence of lone pair also. See, if lone pairs are, see, three molecules are there. Methane, no lone pair, so angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Ammonia has one lone pair, so lone pair will push this, okay, this bonded electron pair inside, so angle will reduces. In oxygen, two lone pairs are there, so bond angle become more or less, children, due to repulsion. Okay, children?
The screen is not clear.
The screen is not clear.
No, sir.
A bit hazy.
Till now it's not clear, children.
No, sir.
Okay, whose screen is clear, children?
Clear, sir.
Sir, now it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Beta, so for this small issue, don't have patience. Wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes. It will become automatically clear. Okay, children. So these are some things. Order of repulsion, percentage of S character increases, bond angle will increases, children. Okay, electronegativity of central atom decreases, bond angle also decreases. So few examples are given. Now I will try to better. Now I will solve some problem, children. Okay. Theoretical part I have done. Now I am going to solve some problem. So whichever the point we will require, we will discuss. Okay. Already it is discussed, but again I will discuss for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Now we will do some problems based on bond parameters. Okay. Please join the evening classes also. It is equivalent. It is very important, children.
Evening means doubt class, huh?
It is doubt clear in classes also, but when people don't have much doubt, then what we will do? We will utilize time or not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir. Sir, after this doubt classes, you have joined in that both PCM and PCB together joint classes.
No joint classes. No joint classes system, children. See, write down one question, children. Today's problems. Problems based on bond parameters. Problem based on parameters. Okay, number 1. Actually, it is question number 44, children. Okay, if I discuss, it is page number, our Narana material, page number 24. Page 24, children. Okay, page 24, Narana material. See, the question is the correct order. The correct order in which the O bond O bond length, okay, length increases in the following. In the following. Number 1, H2O2 is greater than O2 is greater than ozone. Number 2, O3 is less than H2O2 greater than O2. Number 3, O2 is less than H2O2 is less than O3. And then option 4, O2 is less than O3 is less than H2O2, children. Okay. Now you solve it. Again,
Sir,
I am
please,
making you humble request to join in evening classes also for MPC student. It is from 3 o'clock. Any problem during joining this time, children? It is for you only, for your benefit.
Sir, can you please send the video lecture of BIPC class?
I have already sent. Please, you link. You can find everything in my that one. See one by one, date wise. Okay. There is no question for it all. I am sending each and everything. Just you see the date wise and time. Okay.
Okay.
Children, remaining participant, please respond. I have unmuted everybody, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I have unmuted. You can talk directly. And those who
sir.
and those students cannot maintain silence at the background, it is sincere request to them. Please mute themselves. It is your least responsibility. Okay.
Good morning, sir. This is Fairuz here.
Yes.
Sir, I am not joining the evening classes because my net pack completes till that time.
You means enhance your this one data, Baba. You
Yes, until and unless, sir, yeah, until and unless I get this problem solved with the Wi-Fi connection, until that time only I will not join the evening classes. Like I will take that from the YouTube.
Please see every lecture. Don't miss it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
Right. Now, come on, tell me the answer of this question, children. See what this question asking. The correct order of bond length. It is related to bond length. Okay. So tell me, ozone.
Option D, sir.
Ozone is having this structure. Children, hello. Are you understanding, beta?
Two number.
Yes, sir.
So don't discuss with each other. Bond order. What is the bond order? How many bonds? How many bonds are formed over here?
Three.
3. And how many surrounding atoms are there? 2. It means the bond order is 1.5. Okay. In H2O2, HO like this. Children. Okay, children. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
oxygen having single bond, children. So the bond order is 1 only. Okay. And in O2, you know it is O double bond O. Did you understand? Bond order is 2.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please ask me. And you know that, and you know that, you know that, what you know that, I will tell you. I will tell you what you know yesterday. See, this is the information. Bond length is inversely proportional to number of bond between two atoms. It is known as bond order. Okay. If bond order is more, bond length will be what?
Less.
Less. So here, when you use this formula over here, children, this concept over this time, what will be the answer? Bond order of oxygen is very less. It means bond order is very high of bond order of oxygen, O2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bond order is 2. Yes. So its bond length will be very less. In which option oxygen is having
Number
very
4, sir.
very less bond length? Which option?
Option number 4.
4. Option number 4.
Option number 4 is also there and option number 2 is also there. So we will cancel this one. Now we have to decide with 3 and 4 only. Then it means we have to find out one's bond order among this cell also. So what is the bond order in ozone? 1.5. 1.5.
Sir.
Okay. Then if the bond order in ozone is 1.5, it means its bond length will be smaller than compared to H2O2 because here bond order is 1. So now tell me which one is the clear, which one is the correct one?
4.
Oh, yeah, right. Like this you have to cancel, beta. So this one
What is the formula for bond order?
Did you? Hello?
So what is the formula for bond order?
Bond order means there are so many formulas are there. Out of that, see, according to the situation we have to deal. Bond order means, see, first of all, surrounding atoms are 2. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many bonds are there total?
3.
3. So you can calculate bond order in this way. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here O2, how many bonds are there? Tell me.
2.
2. How many surrounding atom is there? 1.
2. 1.
If this is the atom and the surrounding atom is only 1 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So bond order is 2. When we will study molecular orbital theory, then we will upgrade our or upgrade our concept in calculating of bond order. Here, did you understand? See, one bond is here, one bond is here, and one bond is here. Okay?
Answer for H2O2.
H2O2 also. H2O2, see. This oxygen. This oxygen is forming one bond. This oxygen is forming this bond. And this
Yes,
oxygen is forming this bond.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
children. So total 3 bonds are there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And if you consider any one as the central atom, then this is the surrounding atom, this is the surrounding atom, this is the surrounding atom. So 3 bonds are there and 3 surrounding atom is there. What is the bond order?
Okay, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Can you explain
this one is
how
the
this is question number
correct
4?
answer.
How it is?
Sir?
Krishna, Hare Hare.
Sir.
Sir, can you explain again how option 4 is correct?
In the next question, same concept is used. Okay. Try to
Krishna,
update.
Krishna.
Question number 44.
Krishna, 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 Krishna,
Sir.
Krishna,
Yes.
Krishna.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, how you are finding the surrounding atoms? Sir, can you tell that?
Okay. See the question properly. This question number 45. You will get your answer. You will get your answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The correct order. The correct order. Hey, who is this? Who is this singing song? I simply kick out from the group.
Sir, mute limited participants.
The correct order of bond angles. The correct order of bond angles in, okay, H2S, NH3, BF3, and SiH4. Come on, tell me. So if you want to know which is surrounding atom, just see sulfur, because the atom which are smaller, okay, they are generally surrounding atoms. First of all, the atom which are in more quantity, they are surrounding atom. The atom which is in less quantity are central atom. Atom which has a lower electronegativity are central atom. It is a concern of practice. Daily you have to practice, children. So see, whatever the atom I have underlined are central bond.
So please explain bond angle.
Come on, solve it. So it is a answering of this question will require combination effect. So many combination factors are there, children. Okay. Did you understand, children? SiH4. SiH4. This angle is 109°28'. Okay. So first you see any option. Let me write the options. H2S, NH3,
कोई गाना बजा.
see, one option is this one. Option number 2, NH3, H2S, SiH4, and BF3. Option 3, H2S, SiH4, NH3, then BF3. Then option 4, H2S, then NH3, then BF3, then SiH4, children. So see, I know this is in tetrahedral, so angle is 109 degree 28 minute. BF3 has, okay, BF3 has planar structure, children, and the angle is 120 degree. So among this, I think BF3 is having more angle bond angle. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, children, we'll try to reduce our tension. So in wherever the BF3 is okay, we'll try to handle, and where there is BF3, yeah, here is also there. So we will cut this, we'll just cut one option at least. After that, children, we know that SiH4 is having 109 degree 28 minute. So we will go for this option and this option. So we will cut this option, children. Okay. Now after that, we know now there is a problem in NH3 and H2S. Okay. In NH3, okay, in NH3, okay, one lone pair is there and its electronegativity is also very high. So this will make this angle, this both the factor. I told you when the central atom has more electronegativity, children, so it will have more bond angle, and lone pair will disturb. And in H2S, children, H2S, S and H is there and two lone pairs are there. In this way, you have to think. Those who are unable to think this like this way, they have to practice a lot. So from my conclusion, I think NH3 will be having more because it is having less lone pair and high electronegativity. So from my side, I will give you 100% assurance that this order will be clear. Anyhow, for your sake, I will check the answer. Okay. It is the question number 45. Let me check it. 45. Yeah, 45. Option 1 is correct, children. Okay, first option is correct. So you have to solve like this. Okay, children. Next question. Next question. Okay, it is from page number 30. Narana material. Okay, page number 30. Okay, the bond length in LIF will be the bond angle, bond length. Bond length in LIF will be okay, will be number 1 less than, okay, less than NAF. Option 2 equal to KF. Option 3 more than KF, and option 4 equal to NAF, children. Now this option required, but the anion is constant over here, children. So the bond length will directly proportional to the cation size. And you know the lithium, okay, lithium is smaller than sodium, is smaller than potassium. So lithium is smaller, children, from everybody. So lithium fluoride, fluoride is common to everybody, and it is smaller to Na and K also. It is in cation also. Lithium cation is smaller, okay. Lithium, not aqueous, it is normal way. Lithium cation, then it is Na plus, then it is K plus, children. So lithium will be smaller than both of them. So lithium is smaller than NaF is correct option. Equal to Kf, no, we cannot ensure that it is the correct option. Greater than Kf, no, not possible. Equal to NaF, not possible. Option first one is the correct one, children. Okay, so note it down, children. Note it down. How I am approaching to the answer, that you have to understand. I have unmuted everybody, but you have not followed the instruction properly. That's why wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, then I will unmute the serious students. Okay, those who are good students, I will unmute them. Okay, page next question. The question was, this question was question number 50, children. Question number 50. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 51, same page. Which one of the following compound, which one of the following compound, which one of the following compounds has the smallest bond angle? The smallest bond angle, children, okay, in its molecule. In its molecule. Okay, question number 1, H2O. Option 2, H2S. Option 3, NH3. And option 4, SO2. SO2. Okay. Now you see what parameters, what informations, what concepts, which technique can help you a lot. Okay. So see, you know, 2 lone pairs are there on oxygen atom. 2 lone pairs are on oxygen atom. Ammonia, nitrogen is having only 1 lone pair, SO2. Sulfur dioxide, okay, sulfur dioxide. So in sulfur dioxide also, normal bonding also, if you can show, okay. So 1 electron, 2 electron, 3, 4, 1 lone pair is there, children. Okay, but its electronegativity, okay, is less than nitrogen, and so I think more what we say, fight between SO2 and NH3. Okay, H2O and H2S can be they have find out one the smallest. They have asked about the smallest bond angle. Okay, smallest. So smallest will be, I think, where now so many things are there. Electronegativity, okay, then lone pair. So if we go for lone pair, children, in lone pair wise, they are having lone pairs, and after lone pair, equal lone pairs are there, then we will find out electronegativity. Those who have less electronegativity will have less bond angle. So let us see question number, it is question number 51. Okay, question number 51. So definitely our answer will be, children, our answer will be H2S. H2S. Why, children? Everything we have discussed. More is the lone pair. More is the lone pair. Less is the bond angle. Okay. So that's why I told you, whenever you enter into the class, come with the update information, children. Update. See, what is it is there? Bond angle is affected by the presence of lone pair of electrons. Okay. And more is the lone pair, less is the bond angle. More is the lone pair. See, here it is explained. No lone pair, angle is more. One lone pair, angle is less. Two lone pair, angle is very less. Okay. And simultaneously it affect on electronegativity also. If electronegativity is less, bond angle is also less. So here children, we are using two concepts. Here we are using two concepts, lone pair and electronegativity. The electronegativity of sulfur is less. So your answer is second one, children. Answer is second one. I have used concept of hint of one is lone pair and another one is lone pair is more. If lone pair is more, bond angle will be less. If electronegativity is less, okay, bond angle will also less. This conclusion made me comfortable to select the answer option number 2, children. Option number 2. Option number 2, 51. Okay, so 51, option number 2. In this way, you have to solve the problem, children. So, it is my sincere advice to not to miss any class. Okay. See, I will give you one more question. Okay, one more question. Try to solve it. Then we will enter into the next topic. Okay. Next topic. It is from page 35, children. Page 35. Okay, question number 12. Question number 12. The correct order of, okay, correct order. Correct order of increasing CO bond length, bond length, ठीक है, among they have given carbon monoxide, then carbonate, and they have given carbon dioxide, CO, like this. The options are, now you have to solve your own. Utilize your brain. What are the things you have to recover? CO2, option 3, CO3 minus 2, and CO2. Please remember, I am not asking about bond angle, okay? I'm asking about bond length. So bond length will depend upon bond order. Okay, children. So now utilize your brain. They are asking about bond length. Okay, bond length between C and O. Okay, between C and O. See, children, CO2, C double bond O, C double bond O. So between C and O, the bond order is 2, children. Okay, CO3 minus 2. Minus, one double bond is there, children. So what is the bond order? 4 bonds are there, children. 4 bonds are there, and it is divided into 3 surrounding atoms. So 4 divided by 3, how much it will be? 1 point, I think 3. So here bond order is 2, here bond order is this much. Now let us see about CO. What is happening in CO, children? So I think CO, first of all, double bond will be there. Now oxygen is having their lone pairs and carbon is also having lone pairs. Okay. So now there is a problem, but with this problem, we can at least we can come to approach. So anyhow, what to do? See, carbonate is having the least bond order. Carbonate is having the least bond order. So it should have the highest one, highest bond length. Bond order is least. Bond order is least. So see, CO, okay, CO2, and here carbonate, only one option is given. So I think let us take a risk, okay, and let us select first option 4. If it is not correct, then we will move forward, okay. Then we will move forward. Question number, it was question number, did I have question number 12? Okay, question number 12, children, option 4. Option 4 is correct. Question number 12. Option number 4. So our concept is 100% correct. 100% correct, children. Okay. So 1 electron, 2 electrons. Okay, this is the structure of CO. Okay, sometime they can give this electron pair to this also. So more than, I think more than 2, more than 2. So anyhow, bond length will be the least. I think you got the point. So these are related to bond length, electrons, number, everything you have to make it clear, children. Everything you have to make it clear. That's why I have given you doubt clearing classes. Please participate. Okay, so see next question, children. Now you are missing, no? When I was talking directly with everybody, then somebody was making noise, okay, not following instruction properly. Anyhow, I will unmute some participant. I will now, what's the time, children? What's the time? Okay, it is almost 9:50, I think. Happy time kitna hua? 9:50, children. So, okay, children, we will meet at 3 p.m. children. Okay, please do join. Please make your network everything properly. Okay, bye. Okay, beta. Okay, then you please, Subradeep, Subradeep, are you there, Subradeep? Please raise your hand, Subradeep. Subradeep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do one thing.
Yes.
You are attending 3 o'clock class, no?
Yes, sir.
Then you should see the, okay, 3 o'clock you have completed. Then you should see
Yes.
you should watch the video from 4 to 5, the class which is going from 4 to 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then it will
Okay.
give you double effect, beta, double help. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like
Okay,
this.
sir. I will see today.
Every make a practice that, and that 3 o'clock also lecture you should listen again. 9 o'clock also lecture you have to say listen again. Then 10 o'clock lecture also you can listen it, because everything I have uploaded, children. You can listen for twice, thrice, like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will become more perfect, children. More perfect. Come on, bye. Time is over. Okay. Time is for next class.